guys, so today we're going to make a slime, guys. Guys, today I will going to make a slime, guys. Wow, a dust hands, guys. Look at my hands. The slime color pink. And add some this, guys. Guys, look at my slime. In freezer, and I'm done to make the slime. Bye, guys. I done to make the slime. My mom cooked that slime, guys. Wow, a slime. Bye, guys. See you next time tomorrow. Guys, bye-bye. Go that. Guys, and color the slime, guys.